Here we go, maybe in a video you can see the warbly paint. Warble, warble, warble. And on this door, there's no warble. It's nice and flat. And this one, all the texture. Warble, warble, warble. This thing here is just not sharp. And then right here, there's like a lot of visual flaring. And this is just soft and smooth. You can look at it from this angle. See the sharp crease here that wasn't moved. And then this is just soft. And it's supposed to have like this flat line. And it just curves down. I'll show you the other side. Over here, see this strong crease all throughout. And it's nice and strong. Flat, 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 flat. And there's the crease. Kind of look at it from this angle. Again, you can see the really strong character line. Really, really defined. And the other side just doesn't like that. Again, let's take a look. See, it's just weak. Thank you.